Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. In this video tutorial, I will show you how to fix packet loss or packet burst issue on Call of Duty Black Ops 7 open beta game. So if you are also into the same situation, just follow the methods. So the very first method is to check server status of the game. So I have already provided the link in the description. Just copy this link and open it, and here you can see if there is any server problem. So after opening the website, here you have to select the game and then check if any server downtime is going on. If it's alright, then move to the next solution. The next solution is to exit COD Black Ops 7 and restart the game. So if you are playing the game, then exit the game, and after that again restart the game or relaunch the game and then check if the issue is resolved. If not, next solution is to restart your PC or console. So if you are playing the game on PC or console, simply restart it. For that, click on the Windows icon over here, then click on power, then select restart. This will restart your system. And console users, simply restart your console, and after that check if the problem is resolved or not. Next solution is to update your network drivers. So for that, go to the Windows search for device manager. Now go below, search for network adapters, and here you have to select your adapter, and after that right click on it and click on update driver, and then click on search automatically for drivers. So after selecting your network drivers, update your drivers, and after that check if the problem is fixed. Next solution is to ensure your connection is stable. So you should make sure that connection is stable, and if yes, so restart your router once and then check if the network fluctuations or the network issue that is leading to packet loss is resolved or not. Next method is to change internet packet priority. So for that, you need to open device manager, expand network adapters, select Realtek controller, right tap on it, select properties, find priority and VLAN, and then click on OK. So what you need to do is open go to the Windows search for device manager. Now expand network adapters. Now select your Realtek. Yeah, this is a Realtek controller. Right click on it, click on properties. Now go to the advanced tab, and here you need to find priority and VLAN. So go below, and here you can see priority and VLAN. Select it, it's enabled, and then click on OK. So after this, check if packet loss or packet burst issue is resolved or not in COD Black Ops 7 open beta game. Next solution is to reset internet using C command. So for that, to do is open command prompt, and after that paste these codes one by one. So copy it and paste it here, press enter. After this, again copy it and paste it on command prompt. Now copy the next one and paste it over here, then copy the next one again and paste it over here, and finally paste this one. And after this, check if the problem you are coming across is resolved or not. Next is to change DNS settings. So for that, go to the Windows search for control panel. Now click on network and internet, then click on network and sharing, then click on change adapter settings, then right click on your Wi-Fi, click on properties. Now select internet protocol version 4 TCP IPv, then click on properties. Now select this using the following DNS server address, and here you have to enter, here you have to change the DNS settings to the mentioned number. So go through it. Here you have to type 8.8.8.8, and again in the below here you have to type 8.8.4.4, and after that click on OK, and then check if the problem you are coming across is resolved or not. Next solution is to reset network settings. So for that you need to go to settings, network and internet, then advanced network settings, then click on network reset and tap on reset now. So for that go to the Windows search for settings, then click on internet. Now go below, click on advanced network settings, then click on network reset, and then finally click on reset now. So after resetting your network, now check if packet loss issue is resolved or not. Next solution is to close unnecessary background tasks. So for that go to the Windows search for task manager over here. Now here you have to check if any unwanted program is running in the background. If yes, then simply select that. After selecting it, right click on it and click on end task, and after that check if the problem you are coming across while playing Black Ops 7 open beta is resolved or not. If not, the final solution is to contact Activision support. So when none of the above solutions work, reaching out to Activision support may help. Here is the link I have already given in the description. You can also submit a support ticket. Just provide details about your issue including your ISP, network type and steps you have already tried. So after opening the support options, here you have to log in or create an account, and after that select your game, then platform, then topic, then issue, and finally send it and wait for some time unless you get the support help, and obviously the issue you are facing will be resolved soon. So by this way you can easily fix the packet loss or packet burst issue on Call of Duty Black Ops 7 open beta game on PC. So that's all for now in this video. Thank you.